Good morning students. Today we will study lecture 4 organic chemistry. We will study SN2 mechanism. SN2 substitution nucleophilic bimolecular. It is a one-step reaction in which nucleophile attacks the partially positively charged carbon with the breaking of bond in between carbon and halogen. An unstable transition state is formed for very short period. In this reaction, both molecules, alkyl halide and alkali, participate in the rate determining step. Hence, it is SN2 bimolecular reaction because both the participants are responsible for rate determining step. So, it is bimolecular reaction. Example, hydrolysis of methyl bromide in presence of NaOH. So, this methyl bromide in the presence of NaOH, you are getting tertiary butyl alcohol and sodium bromide. This is the example of SN2 substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction mechanism. In this reaction, nucleophile OH minus attack from opposite side of the leaving group. So opposite side, this is the leaving, Br is the leaving group and it is attacking from opposite side of the leaving group on positively charged carbon. This is carbon is positively charged and here it is attacking. Transition state is the transition state involve attack of the nucleophile and replacement of halogen simultaneously. So transition, this is the transition step. Here what happens? Attack of nucleophile is taking place and also replacement of halogen. They both are taking simultaneously at the. So here both this attacking group and leaving group both are attacking on the same carbon. One is leaving and one is joining. So they are both these are taking simultaneously and in this inversion of configuration is taking place. So here you are seeing bromine was on this side, right side, now OH is on the left side, the OH nucleophile is getting, so here inversion of configuration is taking place. So in this SN2 mechanism, inversion of configuration is taking place. Next, energy profile diagram of SN2 reaction. On the y-axis we are seeing energy proceeding and on the x-axis reaction coordinate. So here you are seeing this is the reactants, both the reactions are involved here. So now this is the transition state. Here you are seeing the both Br minus is leaving and OH is attacking from the opposite side and here these are the products formed. So this is the energy profile diagram showing. So energy is here, energy of the reactants is more than the energy of the products. So this is the energy profile diagram of SN2 reaction. Next, this is SNI reaction. SNI means internal or intramolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is a second order reaction and the nucleophilic substitution takes place within the molecule. So here the nucleophilic substitution is taking place but it is within the molecule. So it is internal, substitution is taking place internally. In this reaction, retention of configuration takes place because chloride ion attack on the carbon of alkyl group from the same side of departure. So here what is happening? Retention of configuration means the configuration is not changing. Configuration is not changing. So attack on the carbon of alkyl group from the same side of the departure group. Example, reaction of alcohol with thionyl chloride gives alkyl chloride HCl and SO2. This is the example of SNI reaction. Mechanism of SNI reaction. In this mechanism, Cl chloride is attacking nucleophile is generated internally and is attacks on R group and from the same side of the leaving group. Here you are seeing thionyl chloride. So here it is attacking from the same side of the leaving group Cl and from the same side it is attacking. Hence it is called internal nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this OH departure group. So OH departure group and attack of Cl is from same side. So it is from the same side. It is also known as Darjen process. Thank you.